Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to cancel a connection request on LinkedIn. So to do that, it's very simple. You have just to go to the LinkedIn app and go to the profile of the person that you've sent the connection request for him. And after that, as you can see, I can withdraw invitation. So I want, if you must know that if you withdraw the invitation, you can't send invitation to the same person for up to 3 weeks. So if you are okay with that, you have just to click on withdraw. And like that, as you can see, the invitation was cancelled for that person, and I can't send him another invitation for more 3 weeks, and after that I can send him another invitation normally. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and